Hey everyone, this is Nick. I got a question again from my sister Kate, who is trying to do that 12-month update chart, and she had a problem right here. So this was her problem. She's getting this reference formula right here using the same formula and function, the offset function, that we used in the previous video. Now in the previous video, we were using the offset function with a list of dates that were formatted as dates. Here, Kate is actually entering, she is entering the name of the month, and so these are formatted as text, or right up here as general. Now the reason why you're getting this reference is because up here in the formula, we are using the count formula to count down the number of rows in the data. But we know that in Excel, the count formula only references numbers or numeric values. So instead of count, we're going to use the count A formula. Count A just returns the number of cells with anything in it at all. So that could include text or anything like that. So let's just go up here and we'll just put in an A right there for the count A. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push enter and we'll see what happens. All right, so now that spills over the last 12 months of data here, but we see that we have a problem because this last one right here, right after June, is a 0, and it's not, so this is not exactly what we want. The reason why is because count A is referencing any cell that has anything in it, so it's actually including the whole header right here as another piece of data, and so that's why we're getting that 0 at the end. So to get rid of that, let's go back up into our offset formula. Right after the count A, column C, we're going to say -1. So it's going to count down those 12 cells and then -1. So it should just include the last 12 cells in the row of the data that we want. So let's go push enter and see what happens. All right, that looks good. Now it's from June or July to June right here. Perfect. So that's what you have to do. Now another way that you could do this kind of quick and dirty, let's go ahead back up into that formula. Let's say you didn't want to do that -1. What we could do here is instead of referencing the entire column of C, which just references the whole thing, remember we clicked at the very top just to select that column, what we could do is just select the cells in the table and below. So I'm going to get rid of that column C and I'm going to click right here, so it's count A here, and then I'm going to push Shift Control down, and that's going to give me the whole table, and then I'm going to push it one more time, Shift Control down arrow, and it's going to go all the way to the end of the sheet. So let's push enter and then see what happens. There we go. So now it's just referencing any of the cells below that. But I like the first option with that -1. I think that's a little bit more elegant. So Kate, let me know if this helps you in the comments below. If you all like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. I can't wait to see you all next time.